Yeah, damn. Luckily, there's like the mushroom.
Yeah, the another 8 worlds.
Cause yeah, this is going way too quick.
I know, like 4 episodes in World 3. Jesus. Yeah, it's only 2 episodes of World it's been.
Holy shit.
Oh
shit. No.
Melt.
Oh, no. Oh. You can see it.
The crown? I didn't want it.
No.
Oh, the whatever you're trying to hit, but you can't.
You're like, I'm not hiding here. Okay, do it again.
I thought maybe I could use you and jump with you. I assume there's something up there.
Yeah. Oh. Oh no! I'm gonna be jumping too high. Oh. I got it.
Whatever. Here we go. Here we go.
So slippery.
Bonk, bonk. Now live. As just a head. Ow. Oh, that's fine. There's a new character coming to Smite, and he's a Tanuki.
Oh really?
Yeah, like he's like the Lord of Tanukis or something, they said.
No, I wanted the skateboard.
I'm coming to kill you.
You're doing the Iron Lotus.
Oh wow, look at my little bottom.
Damn, she's thick.
She's too thick. Wait, can you fly with this thing?
Oh wait.
No, you can't.
Oh, fuck.
It's useless.
I didn't realize this was an exercise ball. And he bounces back and you're like... Ugh.
All the work.
They see me rolling. They hate it. Oh shit.
Bunny time! Where'd he go? He's so speedy.
Oh, he's down there. He's cowering. Oh, he's over there.
I will destroy you!
Oh, you're really not ready. Look at him on the other side.
Right. Wang wang. Oh. Come on. I've got a thick little bottom. But I can't hit. Is that really all this one does? Is just a tail whip?
Yeah.
So it's like literally just a shitty
Oh,
tap.
and you can glide.
I could do that anyway.
But for...
Oh, okay. So it does my normal one, and then I can glide. I see. Kale. Kale. You can just shake the trees with your thing, I believe.
Oh, thank you.
With your touch screen, you can shake up the trees and
Oh, yeah.
stun them in. Oh, they got coins now.
I'm robbing them.
You're
Like,
shaking them
tickling
down.
them.
You're shaking them down like a mobster.
Like, I think there's another guy over here. Like, you see this? This is your friend.
He's gonna kill you.
No! He's coming! He's coming!
He's coming for me! Me first. He's too fast. He can't be stopped.
I was hoping you would miss.
That would have been so funny with my double gliding. Wow.
God, my head is huge.
My ass is huge.
Your character reminds me of, what was her name? Oh, Fanny, I think.
Oh, Aunt Fanny?
Aunt Fanny from
Robots, yeah.
You call that a fart? Listen to this. Just kills the lipos outside.
That was a good movie. I used to watch that one a
my God, I
lot,
loved it.
actually.
I remember the game, and I could never beat it because fucking Eric kept restarting. He was notorious for that. Like, that was what I loved so much about Tales of Symphonia.
You'd hit new game on your
Yeah, is that there was like 104 files.
So you'd hide at the bottom.
Yeah.
You should have not even did the bottom. You should have did like the dead center. So you had to scroll.
Mm-hmm. Well, you couldn't go up.
Oh, you had to scroll
had
all
to-
the way
yeah.
down. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Shit.
Yeah, I was playing it on my computer for a bit. Like, I got to the farthest I've ever been, which wasn't far. It was like just when you meet that assassin lady.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, I've never been far in the game because I didn't own it, right?
Yeah, I got pretty far once and kind of saw like a big twist.
Right.
But I've never beaten it.
Honestly, part of it is like, I know like the Tales games are good for like you control the characters, but I kind of like when I can just select, like, you use this move and then do this kind of thing, like those like turn-based ones.
Yeah.
But the thing is, like, so like I play the Final Fantasy games, but I prefer when it's like you straight up just combat halts, you pick your moves. But like Final Fantasy has those like where it has those action gauges or whatever. Like it has the action gauges, so like you use your move after however much time passes and yada yada.
Yeah.
Which, I don't know, I'm not a huge fan of. Because I was debating getting Final Fantasy 9, because that one's good, but it has that AP action gauge style, which I'm like, I don't know about that. It's not really my favorite. But that's why I like Dragon Quest. It does the, like, you just stop and do the thing. Ooh, my.
No.
I thought there was gonna be something up, so I climbed and it went over, and I was on the wrong side of it.
Yeah, I know, they're pretty fun.
Yeah, so that's the thing, I gotta finish Dragon Quest, I think it was 11 or whatever.
No, the newest one?
Yeah, the newest one. I got like, so what happens is, like, I think I told you this, like I got really far in the game to where I thought I was almost done it, and then it was like, you're done Act 1 of 3, basically.
Oh.
So basically you go through the game like 3 different times, essentially, but it's only one story thing, like there's a twist kind of thing.
Oh, okay.
Where like you think you're about to be done, and then there's a twist. So I was like, wow, there's a lot of game here. And then the same with the Ni no Kuni, those ones were fun, but I didn't get very far in it before I stopped playing. You have the second one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the first one's free on PS Now. Oh shit, there's something back there?
Yeah. What was I playing? Whatchamacallit? Brain, come on. Come on, don't play me now, brain. What was I thinking of? No clue.
This is like you're giving me nothing.
Yeah, my brain's just... I'm so focused on this level right now, because we died, and it's like... this was tougher than I thought it was. Where is this raise that?
Any clues?
Oh, okay. Yeah, Kingdom Hearts came out with a rhythm game recently.
Like that, like sparked your memory. Any clues?
I just had to think of what I was trying to talk about before. Yeah, because it's on Switch even.
Oh, interesting.
I think it's on like every console. So yeah, I saw that and I was like, damn, they really coming out with a lot of shit. What are you gonna do? Hit the thing?
Although I thought maybe there was a star there, but
Oh. Yeah, what's the point of that? You can hit it as a cat and like raise that thing to get up, like, but you're a cat. You can climb the flag.
I guess like if you don't have it.
But you can't hit it if you're not a cat.
But I don't know. There is that slide jump you can do in Mario 64.
Maybe if you're Luigi, maybe you can kick it. I don't know. I don't know. Because I don't even know what he's capable of. And then there's a new Zelda game on the Switch, the It's like, I think it's like Hyrule Warriors, like one of those type games.
Oh,
But
okay.
it's like Age of Calamity, like it's based on the Breath of the Wild stuff.
Mhm.
So it goes into more like story of Breath of the Wild. Since the game didn't, like, since Breath of the Wild didn't actually go into its own lore too deeply. I'd seen a video actually by this one YouTuber that I watch a lot. And he was talking about like games like Breath of the Wild, how like they're really fun, but you kind of can't replay them because unless you like completely forget everything, I guess. But because like part of the fun is like discovering stuff.
Oh yeah.
And so like it's tough. You can't really like get the same first time playthrough.
Oh. Like I want it.
Like now be gone.
Yeah, no, I can see that.
Yeah, like the fun is literally exploring. So.
Because that's the same with Genshin. Like I've neglected doing my dailies the past couple days.
Oh yeah, me too. I keep forgetting. I logged on just to do some of that, the event, but I still haven't even. Like, I didn't finish the event. I haven't done a lot of the stuff yet. Ouch.
I mean, that to be fair, it's because I have Call of Duty now.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, I've been playing that, and I've been playing Smite, and I've been playing a bunch of things lately. Because Smite, I'm trying to finish that Battle Pass with the Ninja Turtles on it and stuff, but...
So many secrets.
So much secret sauce. Whoa, that's an escalator. Does it go down if I go the other way?
Yeah.
He's too big to be left alive.
Oh! That was a bit unfair, but whatever. No, don't lick my butt. Stop it.
Don't eat my ass, spirits. Yeah.
Oh no. Oh.
Yay, time. You don't see this, but he's staring at me with death in the eyes.
The only thing I care about in this book. No!
No, he was fake! He was a fake pipe!
I knew it. That's what you deserve. I will take us both down. Oh. I guess right. I guess we'll restart the level if we both It's like I don't think that was your intention at all, but like it just went.
It went flying. No, I was like, I was just trying to hit the boxes because I was above them. And then you were right there. I was like, oh. Get him.
Oh, you can. Yeah, I didn't know you can roll. Oh.
You can roll.
Yeah, you gotta like crouch and then dash, or like use your Y.
Oh, you're a cool guy. Rides in the back of the couch.
He's a fake. I knew it. Oh fuck!
You've been punked.
See?
Oh, weird.
Like, I don't want to talk to you anymore.
I was seeing if it was a damage dealing thing. I don't think these ghosts can get damaged either way, but... I'm too slow. Ouch. He's gonna lick my bosom. My bosom and my booty. Wow, they really are double tricking. They're really just punking us over and over.
God.
So much trickery involved in this. I'm small.
Oh, no, you are, yeah. And I'm not sure.
This could be normal for me. I don't know.
It's like I have Benjamin Button's disease, but it's more like I come out 30. And I just stay 30.
I saw a headline for an article saying we're doing testing, and they like did successful reverse aging.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I was like, that's interesting. I didn't read the article because I didn't actually care, but yeah, think about that one for a moment.
If you guys want to find the article and read it, do it.
And then tell us all about it.
In which case, we'll probably not read it.
Yeah. Link it in the comments so I can neglect to read it.
Yeah.
How about that?